Hello, welcome to the next episode of Fork It Up. It's going to be a quick one again. I am trying to just reach my goal of doing a little bit every day of recording my show on top of everything else going on. So I am wanting to start off with making this reality here. Okay, so alright, so the nav will be here. It's not going to do anything yet. I am just going to start pasting some stuff in. Okay. Header. Alright, on the first section, I'm just setting up some paragraphs. Oops. My P paragraph tag. Okay, and I'm going to add some stylized stuff to that once I do my CSS. I'm kind of just focusing on the that's just like var basic. Let's see if I have it in here. Okay. Right. Definitely need to add some style to it. Or connect with your classmates. Great. Okay, so let's just do a couple more things, and then I'll wrap up the video for today. I have an extension with emojis. Let me remember how to do it. Let's see. I was pressing Command I. I'm not sure why it's not working. Try it again. Oh, there we go. Search for star. Alright, let's refresh. Nice. I'll probably change that, put in a font awesome icon or something instead, but that'll do for now. And I've been kind of looking back at my portfolio page to remind myself about some basic, HTML, CSS. Sorry, that was just my sister. Don't mind her. To remind myself about how I, did the styles. So it looks like I have classes on here, and then dot in the class. Okay. Alright, so let's say class equals. Alright, so I'm gonna sign off, and I will be back with you tomorrow to continue working on my wireframes. Thanks for watching.